It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Eastin-Arcola School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. This is home of the Wildcats as well, and such an honor to be here to share my heart for a first time visit. Got to speak to all the grades this morning, 3 different assemblies, K2, 3, 5, 6, 8, with age-appropriate content, so they get a little bit more heart-heavy as I go up in age. But whether it was kindergarten or 8th grade, everybody responded. There was a lot of pin drop moments where they really took the message to heart. And today's focus was on bullying, of course. You've heard that word over and over again, I'm sure, but even more important than that is trying to focus a little bit deeper on looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else. And our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, but how we choose to treat, them and have that self-respect as well. And it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do, one breath, one action, one word, one heartbeat, we can uplift high as the clouds, right? Stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can really hurt someone, that it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life. And to know the impact and the power of our actions to uplift or tear down, that's a huge life lesson to already get, right, at a young age. So very, very encouraged, just getting to talk with them, interact with some of the teachers as too, before and after the assemblies, and, hear their feedback as to understanding that, hey, even as young people, right, even as, children, we can still make a difference, right? You can still have that power. And to know that it only takes 2 seconds, I mean, that's pretty awesome. And the big concept that I push in all of my programs, whether it's the adult staff or student presentations, is this: that all of us have, with the lines on our hands, the letter M, at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I trace one of mine here. That M stands for Madera. Just kidding, for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W stands for Wildcats. No, for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, because so many students I speak to, they don't. Or they've never been told this, or they need a reminder about that. And for us to be that light to their heart, I think that's huge. Dr. King has always said that we need to stick with love. And this piggybacking, these assemblies in Black History Month, February 1st now, we're just kicking off that, but also MLK Day a few weeks back. I think it's a really great, merger for us to kind of incorporate these principles of what it means, to be a leader, but also to really be that change that also Gandhi has talked about in the past. Be that change you want to see for this world, right? That's our job. That's our responsibility as human beings. If we want more kindness, then we got to be more kind. If we want more respect, then we got to be more respectful. And I love how that relates to what their school mantra or motto is here, which is be respectful, be responsible, be safe. And we want everyone to feel that safety, that they can be themselves, that if they're going through something, that they know that there's a community here to support them, right? I always say that hurt people hurt people. A big reason why bullying happens, but that healed people heal people. And we can choose to become those healed people. And we need to, because this world needs more kindness. It needs more love. It needs more positive leaders as well. So you're all beautiful. You touched my heart. It was an honor to be here again. Hope to see you all again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year until then. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.